Want this? Well, the first step is to go to CapCut and take the video to the timeline. Then we select this tool, and we look for the part in which we want to make the crop. Once selected, we will have to go to these tools here. As you can see, there are several, but we will have to select the one called Resize. Here we can adjust the video to our taste. Here in rotation, we can adjust the rotation. And here we can choose the type of crop. For example, if our video will be for TikTok, we will select 9:16. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.